I think there's love for your family, which is one of those things. I think there's love for friends. I think there's love for yourself. Love's like an energy that consumes and affects every possible attitude or feeling you could have about whatever you love. It changes everything. It's just a way. It's like looking through a different lens at something. When a lot of the same things may happen. Like if you're dealing with someone you don't love, a lot of the same situations might happen with someone that you do love, but it's completely different because it's through you're looking through a different lens, basically.
Yeah.
And then there's also romantic love, and there's also physical love, which may or may not have anything to do with romantic love. It depends.